Hey guys, and welcome back to Talk Boom. I am your hostess with the mostest, Cerebro. Today I want to talk about something that's dear to my heart. I want to talk a little bit about free music. When I say free music, I'm talking about absolutely free. You're not paying for anything. No copyright infringements. So you can use this on your YouTube channel. And how we're going to do this? Well, stay with me because I'm going to show you how. Now, free music, a lot of people go on there and they look for different things that they want to add to their YouTube channel. They're looking for, little sound clips and things like this that they can use that they don't have to worry about doing any serious jail time or prison time because they use someone else's stuff. Well, there's an answer for that. There are lots of different companies and YouTube channels and pages out there that are actually dedicated to allowing you to use someone else's work, and it's no problem to use it because it's what's considered to be Creative Commons or copyright free. Now, how do you find that, you say? Very good question. So stick with me throughout this video and I'm going to show you how to stay out of jail. Now, there's several different ways to do this. So what I've done is lined up a couple of different pages so we can go to and we can explore the music that you're going to download. Now, why would you want to have music on your YouTube video? Well, lots of different reasons. One reason, there are lots of different reasons. One reason would be when you're doing something to keep it from being boring. You can have background music. You can have background music playing, but you have to really be careful that you don't use someone else's material without their consent, because if you do use it, YouTube can actually block your video, ban your channel, and it's not up to YouTube to decide whether or not you have to go to court. YouTube deals with people who complain about their copyrighted material being used. They complain to YouTube. YouTube says to you, you need to take that music off. So if you created a really nice video and it's got a great slow key background sound to it, but it's someone else's music, YouTube can find out through their algorithm or through their checkers that this music has been complained about. You can't use it, and what happens is when you use copyrighted material, you get binged for it, and 3 bings, I think it is, you're gone. So you don't want any bings against you for copyright infringement. So like I said, I'm trying to keep you safe and make it all an even playing field. So one way to do that is, like I said, is to go on Google and find sites that allow you to use material that is royalty free, which means that you can use it any way you want to use it. You can edit it, you can change it, you can modify it, you can add to it, you can extract from it, but it's royalty free music. Now, royalty free music doesn't mean that you can use the music any way you want to. Some royalty free music means that they give you the rights to use that music a particular reason. Like, say for instance, you're making a movie, they let you use it, you buy it and then you use it. But there are sites out there that allows you not to just use royalty free music, but they give you explicit rights to use it any way you want, and that's what you want to do. So with that being said, let me introduce you to a couple of ways that you can actually take advantage of this Creative Commons royalty free, stay out of jail music. So one way to do it is actually YouTube has their own music section. Did you know that? So as a creator, you need to know some of the little tricks and trades, which I'll be teaching you throughout the course on. They have music that you can actually go to and use, and how to get there through YouTube is, first of all, you already know how to log in, so go ahead and log in to YouTube, and once you've logged into YouTube, you can see right in this right corner here, which I'm sure everyone's familiar with, is what you're going to do is you are going to click on that little person. Again, that is not you. I'm me, you. But anyway, you click on the little image that you have, whether it's a alphabet or it's a picture of you, whatever your profile picture is. And then you're going to go to your channel. Once you click on your channel, let's click on YouTube Studio. You have to go into YouTube Studio to do this. Once you're in YouTube Studio, you need to click on Audio Library. Once you are in the Audio Library, this is the music you can use. You have Bird Therapist. That is so 1970s thing. But anyway, you could change the mood like angry, bright, calm, dark, dramatic, funky, happy, inspirational, romantic, or sad. Or you can use all moods, which means it's going to give you a combination of all the different moods. So if I was looking for bright, I'd click on bright. And then new tires. I'm sure Uniroyal is going to love this one. Yeah. I'm sure somebody can use that in their video. Instrument, you can click on the instruments if you're looking for bass, drums, organ, piano. Let's look for bass. Let's see. Milos. So it's got some pretty cool music you can use. And then once you find the music you want, all you have to do is go to the right here and click on this little button that says download. And at the bottom here you see where it says milos.mp3. That song has now been downloaded and you can use this in your video. Royalty free, no go to jail. Tell your wife you're coming home or your husband that you haven't been arrested. Alright? There's nothing like jail time to wake you up. Now, there are other sites out there that allow you to do the same things, and I'm going to show you a couple of them. This particular site is a site called Audiotics, and what they do is pretty much the same thing. You can click on the type of music you're looking for here. Once you're in there, you can tell it to find music. And then it shows you this music you can listen to. So 90 seconds of funk. Let's see what funk is. Oh yeah, that's funk. That's right up there with Danny Terrio and John Travolta. That's Saturday Night Live funk. And then we can go here to the different types of music we want to listen to. We can listen to dance music, country music. I'm sure this is going to be Shania Twain, kind of just look at chasing it. Click that to download it, and then you go back. And then there's another one called Incompetech that you can use. Now with Incompetech, all you have to do is to get started is click on the Get Started with Music. And then from there you can go down here and like I said, the same thing you could do is you can look for different types of music you're looking for, calming music, and you can select several different categories. Intense music. Well, intense is not pretty much good. Just look at that one. Tells you over here the length of the music here, and then if you click on the music itself, you can say listen to it. Yeah, I'm listening to this music and I can't help but thinking of the game called Frogger. And you click it again to stop it. And then if you want to buy it from iTunes, you can buy it from iTunes. But if you want to download it, you just click on this right here and it downloads it down here. And then you can put that in your audio track. So there you are. I've given you 3 different ways to download music because this is YouTube music, videos, and free songs. So with that being done, now you can go out there and you can take your video that's a beautiful video anyway, and then put the music to it. And remember, when you're doing your music on your YouTube video, make sure it's background music. So turn it down, lower it, so that if you're speaking, people can hear what you're saying, and they don't have to worry about this whole thing with the music. You trying to talk? Yeah. Don't do that. Turn the music down, low key, so they can hear you speak. And that's a wrap for this particular video on where and how to find free music to play on your videos. Remember, thank you again for using TalkBoom, listening to me. I am Cerebro. That's bro, B-R-O. And I'll see you on the next video.